girl asked a boy if she was pretty. He said no. She asked him if he wanted to be with her forever. He said no. Then she asked him if he would cry if she walked away. He said no. She heard enough. She needed to leave, and she walked away. He grabbed her arm and told her to stay. He said, "You're not pretty. You're beautiful. I still don't want to be with you forever. I need to be with you forever. And I wouldn't cry if you walked away. I would die." A man bought 12 flowers, 11 real and 1 fake. He said, "I will love you until the last flowers die." One night, a guy and a girl were driving home from the movies. The boy sensed there was something wrong because of the painful silence they shared between them that night. The girl then asked the boy to pull over because she wanted she told him that her feelings had changed and that it was time to move on. A sudden tear slid down on his cheek and he slowly reached into his pocket and passed it on a folded note. At that moment, a drunk driver was speeding down that very same street. He swerved right into the driver's seat, killing the boy miraculously. The girl survived, remembering to know. She poured it out and read that without your love, I would die. There was a girl named Becca and a boy named Zoo. Becca was a burning hot. None of the firefighters could reach him into because the fire was too deep.